The Great Pyramids of Egypt, ancient monuments that defy time, logic, and imagination.
For over 4,000 years, the pyramids have stood as the last wonder of the ancient world.
But how were these massive structures actually built, without modern machines?
Each pyramid contains millions of stone blocks, some weighing more than 40 tons. Yet the Egyptians placed them with incredible precision, unmatched even today. One theory suggests that tens of thousands of skilled workers moved the blocks using ramps.
Archaeologists believe multiple ramp systems were used as the pyramid grew taller.
But no complete ramp has ever been found, leaving the question still open. Inside the Great Pyramid, narrow passages lead to mysterious chambers. How did the Egyptians transport such massive stones across the desert?
Recent evidence suggests they used a network of canals connected to the Nile.
Some researchers believe the pyramid's design reflects advanced mathematical knowledge.
Its base is nearly a perfect square, aligned almost exactly with true north. How did ancient builders achieve such accuracy thousands of years ago?
Some believe the pyramids were more than tombs, perhaps energy structures or star maps.
But most historians agree, the pyramids are a testament to human ingenuity.
Until we uncover every secret, the pyramids will remain one of humanity's greatest mysteries.